Are you tired of struggling with underperforming air compressors? Do you need a reliable tool for inflating tires, running pneumatic tools, or completing DIY projects? Choosing the right air compressor can be overwhelming with so many options on the market. But don't worry, today we've got you covered. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 air compressors based on performance, features, and value for money. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Stick around to find out which one might be perfect for you and which ones might not live up to the hype. Number 10. AstroAI Tire Inflator. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the AstroAI Tire Inflator, a compact and portable air compressor designed specifically for inflating tires. This little device is ideal for car owners who want a quick and easy solution for maintaining proper tire pressure. It's lightweight, easy to store in your vehicle, and comes with an affordable price tag. The AstroAI Tire Inflator has a maximum pressure of 100 psi, making it suitable for most cars, bicycles, motorcycles, and even smaller inflatables like sports balls. One of its standout features is the digital pressure gauge, which provides precise readings and allows you to preset your desired pressure. Once it reaches the target PSI, it automatically shuts off, a great feature for preventing overinflation. However, while it's convenient for light use, this inflator struggles with larger tasks. For instance, inflating truck tires or handling heavy-duty applications is simply beyond its capabilities. The build quality also feels somewhat cheap, with plastic components that might not hold up over time. Additionally, it's not the quietest option out there. Expect some noticeable noise during operation. Despite these drawbacks, the AstroAI Tire Inflator is still a handy tool for quick fixes and emergencies. Just don't expect it to replace a full-sized air compressor if you have more demanding needs. Number 9. California Air Tools CAT 1P 1060S. At number 9, we have the California Air Tools CAT 1P 1060S, a lightweight and ultra-quiet air compressor designed with portability in mind. Weighing just 29 pounds, this model is perfect for small jobs around the house or garage. Its noise level is impressively low at only 56 decibels, making it one of the quietest compressors on the market. The CAT 1P 1060S features a 1-gallon steel tank and delivers 1.2 CFM at 90 psi, which is sufficient for tasks like brad nailing or inflating tires. It's powered by a 0.6 HP motor that starts up quickly and operates efficiently without drawing too much power. The compact design also makes it easy to carry around or store in tight spaces. While its quiet operation is a major plus, the CAT 1P 1060S does have some limitations. The small tank size means it's not suitable for extended use or high-demand tools like impact wrenches or spray guns. Additionally, while California Air Tools is known for quality products, this model feels slightly underpowered compared to others in their lineup. It's best suited for light-duty tasks rather than professional-grade applications. Overall, the CAT 1P 1060S is an excellent choice if noise reduction and portability are your top priorities. Just keep in mind that its performance may fall short if you're tackling more intensive projects. Number 8. Dewalt Pancake DWFP 55126. Coming in at number 8 is the Dewalt Pancake DWFP 55126, a reliable workhorse that combines power and portability in one compact package. With its 6-gallon tank and maximum pressure of 165 psi, this Pancake-style compressor offers excellent performance for a wide range of applications. One of its standout features is its high-efficiency motor, which starts easily even in cold weather, a big plus if you're working outdoors during winter months. The DWFP 55126 delivers an impressive airflow of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, allowing it to power tools like nail guns or inflate tires quickly and efficiently. The oil-free pump requires minimal maintenance, saving you time and effort in the long run. What sets this Dewalt model apart is its durability and build quality. It feels solidly constructed and well-designed for both professionals and hobbyists alike. However, while it performs admirably in most scenarios, some users have noted that it can be slightly noisy during operation, though not excessively so compared to other compressors in its class. If you're looking for a versatile air compressor that balances power with convenience, the Dewalt Pancake DWFP55126 is an excellent option that won't disappoint. Number 7. CRAFTSMAN C6150K. At number 7 on our list is the CRAFTSMAN C6150K, another pancake-style air compressor that offers great value for money without compromising on performance. Like the Dewalt model, it features a 6-gallon tank and delivers a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it suitable for various tasks, such as inflating tires or running pneumatic tools. One of the key advantages of this compressor is its accessory kit, which includes a hose and multiple attachments right out of the box, saving you time and money on additional purchases. The CMAC 6150K delivers an airflow of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, ensuring consistent performance across different applications. This model also boasts an oil-free pump that requires no maintenance, a big plus if you're looking for hassle-free operation over time. Its compact design makes it easy to transport or store when not in use. While there's little to criticize about the CRAFTSMAN CMX 6150K, some users have mentioned that it can get quite loud during operation, a common issue with Pancake compressors, but worth noting nonetheless. Additionally, while it's great for most home projects or DIY tasks, professionals handling heavy-duty jobs might find its airflow slightly limiting. In summary, the CRAFTSMAN CMX 6150K offers excellent value with its combination of power, portability, and included accessories, making it an ideal choice for homeowners and hobbyists alike. Number 6. California Air Tools 8010. Finally, at number 6 is the California Air Tools 8010, a powerhouse of an air compressor that combines quiet operation with impressive performance. With its 8-gallon steel tank and maximum pressure of 120 psi, this model strikes an ideal balance between capacity and portability. The standout feature here is undoubtedly its ultra-quiet operation. At just 60 decibels, it's quieter than most household appliances. This makes it perfect for indoor use or environments where noise reduction is crucial. The powerful motor delivers an airflow of 2.2 CFM at 90 psi, making it capable of handling tasks like sanding, painting, or running pneumatic tools with ease. Another major advantage of the California Air Tools 8010 is its durability. The steel tank feels robust and built to last even under demanding conditions. The oil-free pump ensures minimal maintenance while providing reliable performance over time. If there's any downside to mention, it would be its weight. At around 48 pounds, this compressor isn't as portable as smaller models on our list. However, it does come equipped with wheels and a handle to make transportation easier when needed. Overall, the California Air Tools 8010 stands out as one of the best options in its category, thanks to its combination of quiet operation, solid performance, and durable construction. A fantastic choice whether you're working indoors or outdoors. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMEC1 Kit 18. At number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMEC1 Kit 18, a versatile combo kit that includes a 6-gallon pancake-style air compressor and an 18-gauge brad nailer. This kit is perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want a ready-to-use solution for tasks like trim work, baseboards, and shoe molding. Straight out of the box, it's clear that this is a thoughtfully designed product. The air compressor boasts a maximum pressure of 150 psi, delivering 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi for quick recovery times. Its oil-free pump ensures maintenance-free operation, which is a huge plus for those who prefer simplicity. The included brad nailer is capable of driving nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inches in length, making it versatile for various light-duty projects. During testing, this combo kit proved to be reliable and easy to use, especially for smaller woodworking tasks. One of the standout features of this kit is its portability. Weighing just over 36 pounds, the compressor is lightweight enough to move around easily. The rubber feet provide stability, while the compact design ensures it doesn't take up too much space in your garage or workshop. However, while it's great for light tasks, the compressor does struggle with more demanding applications like framing or roofing. Another minor drawback is the noise level. It's not excessively loud, but noticeable enough to warrant ear protection during extended use. Additionally, while the brad nailer performs well overall, occasional jams can occur, especially when using lower quality nails. Despite these small issues, the CRAFTSMAN CMK18 offers excellent value for money and is a fantastic entry-level option for DIYers. Number 4. BOSTITCH BTF3 Kit. Next up at number 4 is the BOSTITCH BTF3 Kit, a comprehensive combo kit that includes not just an air compressor, but also 3 pneumatic tools, an 18-gauge brad nailer, a 16-gauge finish nailer, and a 3/8-inch crown stapler. With its 6-gallon Pancake tank and 150 psi maximum pressure, this kit is designed to handle multiple tasks with ease. During testing, the BOSTITCH compressor impressed us with its 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, which allows for quick recovery times and extended tool runtime. The oil-free pump eliminates maintenance hassles, while the durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use on job sites or in home workshops. One of its most convenient features is the dual ports, which allow 2 users to operate tools simultaneously, a major time saver for collaborative projects. The included pneumatic tools are well-built and versatile. The brad nailer and finish nailer performed flawlessly during tasks like crown molding installation and cabinetry work. However, we did experience occasional jams with the stapler during high-speed use, though clearing them was quick and easy thanks to the tool-free jam release mechanism. On the downside, this compressor produces about 80 decibels of noise, which might be too loud for indoor use without proper hearing protection. Additionally, at around 45 pounds, it's heavier than some other Pancake compressors on our list, making portability slightly less convenient. Overall, the BOSTITCH BTF3 kit delivers exceptional value with its all-in-one package. It's an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals looking for versatility and reliability in their air compressor setup. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 FUEL. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL air compressor takes our number 3 spot as one of the most innovative options on this list. This cordless model is powered by Milwaukee's renowned M18 red lithium batteries, making it incredibly portable and convenient for professionals who need mobility on job sites. One of its standout features is its whisper-quiet operation, producing just 68 decibels of noise, a game changer for those working in noise-sensitive environments like residential areas or indoors. Despite its compact size and lightweight design, 14 kilograms, this compressor delivers impressive performance with up to 1,600 nails per charge when paired with a high-capacity battery. During testing, we found that the M18 FUEL compressor excelled in tasks like finish nailing and trim installation. Its low-profile design makes it easy to transport and store, while the stackable feet ensure stability when placed on uneven surfaces or atop pack-out storage systems. The runtime was consistent throughout our tests, even under heavy workloads. However, there are some limitations to consider. While it's perfect for finish carpentry or light-duty tasks, it lacks the power required for high-demand tools like impact wrenches or spray guns. Additionally, since it relies on batteries, sold separately, you'll need to invest in extra batteries if you plan on using it extensively throughout the day. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL air compressor is an outstanding option for professionals who value portability and quiet operation without sacrificing performance. Number 2. Makita MAC2400. At number 2 is the Makita MAC2400, a robust air compressor designed with durability and performance in mind. Equipped with Makita's signature big-bore engineered pump, this model delivers industrial-grade power while maintaining relatively low noise levels compared to similar compressors. The MAC2400 features a 2.5 horsepower motor that provides up to 4.2 CFM at 90 psi, making it suitable for running 2 nailers simultaneously or handling more demanding tools like framing nailers or sanders. Its cast-iron construction ensures long-lasting durability even under tough job site conditions. During testing, we were impressed by how quickly it recovered after heavy use, a testament to its efficient design. Another highlight of this compressor is its oil-lubricated pump, which runs cooler than oil-free models and contributes to its longevity. The roll bar handle not only makes it portable, but also adds extra protection against accidental damage on job sites. While this compressor offers exceptional performance, there are a couple of downsides worth noting. At around 77 pounds, it's quite heavy compared to other models on our list, though still manageable thanks to its ergonomic handle design. Additionally, as an oil-lubricated unit, regular maintenance is required to keep it running smoothly. Overall, the Makita MAC2400 stands out as one of the best options for professionals who demand reliability and power from their air compressors. Number 1. Makita MAC5200. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Makita MAC5200, an absolute powerhouse that combines unmatched performance with user-friendly features. Powered by a 3 HP motor, this compressor delivers an impressive 6.5 CFM at 90 psi, making it capable of running 2 framing nailers simultaneously or powering other high-demand tools effortlessly. The MAC5200 features Makita's big bore technology with a cast-iron pump cylinder designed for maximum compression efficiency and faster recovery times. During testing, we found that this model handled everything from roofing projects to automotive repairs without breaking a sweat. It's truly built for heavy-duty applications. What sets this compressor apart is its thoughtful design elements aimed at convenience and durability. The foldable handle and rugged wheels make transportation easy despite its weight, 88 pounds, while built-in storage compartments keep accessories organized on-site. The oil-lubricated pump runs cooler than oil-free models and contributes to its long lifespan under demanding conditions. If there's any downside to mention, it would be its price. It's one of the more expensive options on our list, but considering its industrial-grade performance and durability, it's worth every penny for professionals who need top-tier reliability. In conclusion, the Makita MAC5200 earns its place as our number 1 pick thanks to its unbeatable combination of power, durability, and user-friendly features, a true workhorse that will serve you well for years to come. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 air compressors. From versatile combo kits like CRAFTSMAN CMXC1 Kit 18 to professional-grade powerhouses like Makita MAC5200, each model offers unique advantages tailored to different needs. Which one do you think suits your projects best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one.